Florida's manufacturing sector is experiencing remarkable growth, with 1,900 new jobs added in March 2025 alone, marking 5 consecutive months of expansion. Within this booming landscape, Charlotte County emerges as a strategic hotspot for manufacturing businesses looking to relocate or expand. The county's unique combination of logistics, affordability, and business support creates a compelling opportunity for industrial operations, particularly for those seeking entry into the Southeast market. Located along the I-75 corridor between Tampa and Naples, Charlotte County offers manufacturers a perfect blend of strategic advantages. The area provides shovel-ready industrial real estate, comprehensive workforce development programs, and a business-friendly government approach that prioritizes growth and efficiency. Companies across various sectors, from aerospace to medical devices, food logistics, and distribution, are already capitalizing on these benefits. The timing for relocation is particularly advantageous now, as Florida's manufacturing momentum builds. With 12,000 new manufacturing jobs added statewide in the past year, the sector shows no signs of slowing. Charlotte County's proactive approach includes infrastructure investments and regional upskilling initiatives, positioning early movers to capitalize on available resources before competition intensifies. As supply chains continue to relocalize, Florida's position becomes increasingly strategic for regional distribution. One of the county's standout features is its industrial space availability. While many Florida markets face shrinking vacancy rates, Charlotte County maintains an inventory of development-ready properties. These sites, listed on clearedfortakeoff.com, include fully permitted industrial parks and custom build-to-suit options with existing utility and transportation infrastructure. These aren't speculative properties. They're certified, development-ready sites that can accelerate launch timelines by months or even years. The workforce pipeline is particularly robust, combining multiple talent sources. Charlotte Technical College provides specialized training in crucial areas like HVAC, welding, and machining. Florida Southwestern State College contributes engineering and technical graduates, while the region's high veteran population offers experienced workers with valuable skills in logistics and mechanics. CareerSource Southwest Florida enhances these resources with workforce grants and training subsidies. The area's attractive quality of life, including no state income tax and Gulf Coast living, helps draw skilled workers seeking stability. Logistically, Charlotte County excels with multimodal transportation options. The Punta Gorda Airport (PGD) handles both commercial and cargo operations, while immediate I-75 access facilitates efficient ground transport. Proximity to Port Manatee and Port Tampa Bay, within 90 minutes, and rail connections via CSX creates comprehensive shipping solutions that can significantly improve supply chain efficiency and delivery timelines. The cost advantages are substantial, with industrial lease rates averaging 20 to 40% lower than nearby metropolitan areas. This cost efficiency extends across operations, from competitive utility rates to lower labor costs, all while maintaining high-quality infrastructure and talent access. The absence of state income tax and low overall tax burden further enhances the financial benefits, providing businesses room to grow without compromising margins. Charlotte County's Economic Development Office, EDO, sets itself apart with a concierge-style approach to business support. New businesses receive a dedicated representative who coordinates everything from site selection to permitting, effectively streamlining the relocation process. The EDO assists with workforce training grants, apprenticeships, state incentive programs, and connections to utility providers and local partners. The quality of life factor includes Gulf Coast beaches, year-round outdoor activities, top-rated K-12 schools, and minimal traffic stress. These amenities help companies attract and retain top talent, with many reporting high employee satisfaction and low turnover rates. The existing manufacturing ecosystem includes diverse industries from food distribution to aerospace, creating opportunities for business synergy rather than competition. The county's Purple Heart Community designation reflects its commitment to veteran support, offering additional advantages for veteran-owned businesses and those seeking to hire veteran talent. Through partnerships with the Florida Apex Accelerator, businesses receive assistance with veteran-owned certification, government contracts navigation, and access to state and federal supplier portals. For manufacturers considering relocation, Charlotte County presents an immediate opportunity with ready-to-develop sites, established workforce pipelines, and comprehensive support systems. Industrial lease rates typically range from $7 to $9 per square foot, significantly below nearby markets. With proper planning and EDO support, businesses can often complete their relocation within 6 to 12 months, making it an ideal choice for companies looking to scale, diversify, or establish a strategic hub in the Southeast.